Hello? Move back.
Watch it.
I'm not fighting.
Okay.
Yeah?
Bro.
Move back.
Okay, can you move back, please?
These yours?
It's mine, yeah?
Okay.
I found them.
Don't worry.
I'm not fighting. You speak with me, I will speak with him. Let me pray and then I'll go with you anyway.
Sorry.
I want to say my prayer. My time pray.
You're not praying.
I really appreciate you joining me today, and thank you to all the subscribers that have been supporting the channel over the past few years, and also everybody that sends stories. So don't forget to send your news to news@scarcitystudios.com. I want to send my thoughts and also everybody's prayers as well to the family of this grandfather who was attacked by what it seems like to be a complete stranger. This occurred last night on the 20th of the 3rd, 2023 on Brixham Road, which is just between Winson Green and Cape Hill in Birmingham. It happened just after 7 a.m. and the man was walking home from the mosque when he was approached by a stranger who started conversation with him. I have been able to determine from the conversation that the man asked him if he spoke Arabic, and the older gentleman replied back that he only spoke Urdu and Punjabi. And then he asked him what he wanted and he said nothing, and moments later he set him on fire. You can see just before he started the conversation that the man who is the suspect removed something from his pocket, and this seems to be the flammable liquid that he used in order to set the man on fire. And the video is so graphic that we can't, and I wouldn't want to show it without warning people on the channel about it as well, because it goes on for quite a while. But because of the seriousness of the situation and the family releasing the video themselves, I will make it available on the website to watch in full. The man is currently in a critical condition, and big up to all of the local people that came out of their house to try to help him as well. It must have been incredibly traumatic for them to witness this and to go through it as well. But he's currently in a critical condition. Hopefully he pulls through, and if it wasn't for the people helping him, maybe he wouldn't. But as it stands, we have no police statements, and we don't know if this man is currently on the loose. But this is the second person in 1 week to be set alight very close to a mosque. The first one was in Ealing in West London. And I'm not sure if the man has been arrested for this yet. I will have to check after publishing. There is a lot of similarities in both of the cases, and even the suspects are both wearing very similar jackets, which I thank all the viewers for pointing out when I posted this. So as I said, this is a breaking news story. I was at the scene until gone 11 last night, and I got some footage from the area today as well, and it shows that there is not much to talk about today. Nobody really would have known this happened unless it was for the CCTV that recorded it. So my thoughts are with the family of this man right now, and hopefully he pulls through. And we do need to get this man who did this off the street, because he may be suffering from mental health, but at the very least he's a danger to everybody that he comes into contact with. So I'd really appreciate it if you shared this story, and please don't forget to follow on social media and send your stories to the inbox.